He used to be one of the most feared assassins in the criminal world. His wife's name is Helen. They were happy, but Helen died of an illness. After she passed, she left him a puppy named Daisy to help him grieve and keep going. One day, at a gas station, a young punk named Iosef Tarasov sees John's car and wants to buy it. John refuses. That night, Iosef and his friends break into John's house. They steal his car and kill Daisy, the last gift from his wife. What they didn't know is, John Wick is no ordinary man. He was once the most dangerous hitman alive, known as Baba Yaga, the boogeyman. He's out for revenge. John goes on a rampage through the criminal underworld to get to Iosef. Iosef's father, Vigo Tarasov, is a powerful crime boss, and he knows exactly how dangerous John is. He tries to protect his son, but one by one, John takes them all down.